Good Wednesday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News. Plus, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your much calmer weather for today. We've got a ridge of high pressure building in, and that is bringing us sunshine, warmer temperatures, less winds. So we are in store for a calm day weather-wise today. We are tracking a couple of storms headed our way. We'll talk about those in just a second. And we do have a potential weather impact day to talk about as well. That really Thursday night into Friday morning with some snow potential down here at the lower elevations. Certainly a lot of snow headed toward the mountains once again. That's great for the ski areas. Great to get that snowpack up. But again, it is going to make for some difficult driving in the mountains starting this evening and really lasting through Saturday morning. So we'll talk about that as well. Let's take you outside, out over Denver, where we've got blue skies. Yeah, we've got mostly sunny skies for today. Right now we're at 44 degrees out at DIA. Those winds much lighter than yesterday. Again, we talked about this yesterday, but I want to remind you about the winds yesterday across the Eastern Plains. 70-mile-per-hour peak wind gusts in Lyman, 71-mile-per-hour peak wind gusts in Hugo. So very strong winds yesterday. Things much calmer today. Winds out of the east-southeast, 8 miles per hour out at the airport. So topping your headlines today, actually the sunshine, less wind as well. Mountain snow again starting this evening and lasting through Friday night into Saturday morning, and possibly some metro snow again late Friday into Saturday as morning, and could impact your morning commute. So we're calling for a potential weather impact day for that period of time. Current temperatures, we are in the 40s across the plains. We're looking at 30s and some 40s up in the high country. So clouds increase. We do have a little bit of rain in the forecast, possibly here in the metro area, and some storms possible to the north along I-25 as you head up closer to Thornton into Berthoud and all the way up into Fort Collins. So we're going to keep tracking those. So we could see some strong, just quick shots of rain, possibly some thunder this afternoon, but we're going to go ahead and show you the radar on that and the future cast here in a second. As for today, we're looking mostly sunny, 54 degrees. Forecast highs 40s and 50s across the plains. Mainly 30s and 40s up in the mountains. There's that winter storm watch goes into effect tonight, lasts through Saturday morning for 8 to 20 inches of snow, and those winds gusting up to 55 miles per hour. But again, high pressure dominating our weather pattern today, and that is keeping us, at least for the first half of the day, pretty uneventful. And then you can see it does weaken and shift off to the east, and we've got that first storm system moving in. That's going to bring us snow. I-70 corridor certainly impacted this evening into the overnight hours, and across the north, Steamboat Springs seeing some decent amount of snow overnight. So again, this is going to be great for the ski areas. Once again, as we head into the overnight hours, more snow, and then that you can see that precipitation sliding down over the I-25 corridor, Denver and north. We're going to go ahead and zoom into the metro area to show you that. This is 6:30. Again, we see that snow really start to fill in over the high country, including the passes and I-70 as well through the mountains. This is about 10:30. Actually, I want to kind of go back a bit if we can, just to kind of walk you through this. There we go. Okay, so there we go. So we start to see those storms. This is tonight, overnight into tomorrow morning, and potentially a thunderstorm activity a little bit here just north of the metro area. As I said, moving up I-25 corridor, Keensburg, Longmont into Loveland as we head into the overnight hours. So may hear a rumble of thunder actually tonight. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, possibly even some light snowfall in areas as close to the metro as Boulder, Longmont. Again, not expecting accumulation, but heavier snow in the foothills and certainly up in the high countries as we head into Thursday, tomorrow morning. Those winds also going to pick up again in the foothills. and certainly a lot calmer, though, down along the urban corridor and the metro area. Tomorrow, clouds increase. We're going to top out right around 57 degrees. Late rain, possibly snow mix for the metro area. We're looking at 50s and 60s for your Thursday. And then on Friday, it is a potential weather impact day. The metro area could see a trace of 2 inches of snow Friday morning. And again, that snow continues in the mountains. That's why we have the winter weather watch starting tonight and continuing through Saturday morning. Some non-stop snow for the high country, and that is going to create some slick driving conditions up there in the mountains as well. So let's track those storms as we take a wide look here. This is Thursday, basically morning, and the snow over the high country. We're going to get some rain showers up across the northern border, no question, as we head into Friday morning. It looks like we're going to see some metro area snow, certainly impacting I-70. I-70 through the mountains, I-76 heading up towards Nebraska. And then as we advance this, I'm going to kind of walk it through slowly. We see that snow start to fill in south of the metro area. So Castle Rock, Colorado Springs, again, could be impacted Friday evening as well with snow and some tough travel conditions. Metro area looking like we may get a dusting Friday evening, but the majority of the snow for the metro area, which isn't a lot, a trace of 2 inches, falling in the morning. Of course, we will keep tracking this storm, keep you updated on the track, and again, the snow potentials here in the metro area. But get out inside and enjoy the seasonal day today. We've got sunshine, highs in the mid-50s. We've got that spring kind of wintry mix, starting with rain, transition to snow Thursday into Friday, and then we warm up as we head into next week. We're looking at high of 70 degrees on Monday. And don't forget, spring forward Saturday night, well, early Sunday morning.